do I fix the F20 code on my Vaillant boiler? According to Vaillant, the F20 fault code is displayed when the boiler overheats. Vaillant boilers have a safety mechanism called a lockout. This is a fault safety or a fail-safe designed to kick in when the boiler doesn't work within its operating range. Problems that can cause a lockout include low pressure, high pressure, system blockages, and the system overheating. So there are various reasons this could be caused. In the case of an F20 error code, the boiler thermistors have detected an overheat condition. The water has been measured at about 97 degrees or above 97 degrees, which is outside the operating range of the Vaillant boiler. In order for the engineer to find the root cause, they would need to come round and diagnose the problem for you.